नमस्ते कृतांजलि जी। हेलो।
Namaste, sir.
Kritanjali ji, today there we do have electricity issue, so I could not turn on my camera. If I turn on, there is no electricity, so you cannot see me. Okay. So if you want to turn off, you may also turn off. Then we'll talk about posing. Okay. Okay. So let's begin today's session with 3 Om together. Sit in any comfortable pose. Now close your eyes. Now we will chant 3 times Om together. Inhale. Now join your hands together in front of your heart center. Bend your head forward. Open your eyes while blinking. And namaste. Okay, so do you have any question about the process? Let's talk about that. Hello. Hello. Kritanjali ji, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you have any question about any posture? So let's talk about that.
Question.
Okay, then let's talk about triangle pose and side angle pose. Okay. Okay, so in Ashtanga Vinyasa, we do have this posture in the second, third number. First is Padangusthasana, second is Padasthasana, third is triangle pose or Trikonasana. So in Trikonasana, the distance between your both leg, that will be 1 leg distance. And the back leg that turns into 45 almost or 30 to 45 degree angle. And front leg that gets straight towards the side of your mat. Okay, so if you're doing triangle pose to the right side, so in this what is actually like to happening in this pose is your front leg is getting in your pelvic girdle and you are tilting forward to the right side and then you are grabbing your big toe. Okay, we do have 2 approaches to get into this pose. First, directly tilt to the right side and then stretch your left side of the waist. Okay, second, first grab your toes and your hips will get square. Okay, after that you are going to open up your hip. So this is for advanced people like who have been doing yoga for a long period of time, then they can do this second approach. But the first approach is directly get to the triangle pose, because the main purpose is to get that stretch on your sideways on your left side if you're doing on the right side, right? आपको समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो ट्राइंगल पोज जब हम करते हैं, अगर आप डायरेक्टली ट्राइंगल पोज में जाओगे without keeping your hips square, without like engaging your butt, and if your purpose is to have that stretch only on your sideways, you can go for the second approach. Okay, but if you want to make it more advanced, you want to feel that more extension in your hip joint or in your pelvic girdle, then first we are going to grab our big toe. This is a second approach. See, when you're grabbing a big toe, your back hip will start to rotate in, right? See, when you're grabbing your right big toe, let's suppose you're grabbing your right big toe, your back leg that will start to rotate inward in the beginning. Okay, but this is not a triangle pose. You will grab a big toe. After that, you're going to push your front leg, like push your front leg and then elevate your hip and then open your hip out. So this is your second approach. Okay, so this second approach a little bit harder than first approach because in this we are completely opening our hips after getting into the posture. But in the first approach, we were engaged, we were getting into the posture without keeping our hips square. From the beginning, that was square, that was open. But in the second approach, our hip were open after getting into the posture. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if let's see how do you do the posture. Now you may turn on the camera so that I can tell you what I'm trying to say. Yes. Okay, now extend your, yeah, this is, let's go for the first approach. Now extend your arms out to the side. Yes. Now directly tilt forward to the right side. Tilt forward to the right side and then place your hand wherever is possible. No need to grab it to big toe. No need to grab. Just keep your hand on your shin bone and look at your upper hand. So this is your first approach. In this, you are having that stretch on your side base, on your left side, right? So this is your first approach. In the beginning, you may try this one, but if you are experienced, if you want to increase the intensity of the posture, now we will go with the second approach. Okay, first grab a big toe. No need to, yeah, grab a big toe. Grab a big toe. Just see. Now your back leg is rotating inward. Just look at your back leg, back leg, left leg. See, your hips are square now. And slightly rotate your back foot inward. Rotate your back foot into 45-degree angle. Yes. Now see, your back leg is, your hips are square. Now grab a big toe and then open up your hip out. Open a hip out and rotate your back leg outward. Yeah, open a hip to the camera. Yeah, open a hip. Open a hip. No, you are just moving your spine. You are not moving your hip. Just move a hip forward so that I can, yeah, your hip should face this side. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now this we will understand by going against the wall. Okay, now go against the wall and try to touch your both hips against the wall without tilting your hip.
Against the wall.
Yeah, against the wall. Touch your both hips against the wall. Very nice. Now open your legs, one leg distance apart. Turn your back foot into 45 or yeah, back foot that will turn in. Okay, that will not rotate it outward. That will rotate it inward. Yeah. Now tilt, get to the posture. Yeah, get to the posture, grab a big toe. If your both hips are touched against the wall, that means you are perfect in the alignment of this triangle pose. But if your hips are tilting forward, then it means you are not enough engaged with your hips. All right.
Okay.
So the main purpose is to keep your hips even. No need to have any tilt in this pose. Your hips should be all the time engaged and in one line. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's practice a little bit. Then once you get warm, then we will again do this triangle pose. Okay. Now come up on your top of your mat. Now, if you want to turn off your camera, you may turn on now. Okay. Now let's start with sun salutation. Inhale, stretch your arms up over the head. And then exhale, bend forward, hands on the floor. Inhale, halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now jump forward for the halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale, all the way come up high. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now let's do second round. Inhale, arms up over the head. Exhale, bend forward, hands on the floor. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now jump forward for the halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend down. Inhale, stretch arms up over the head. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now third round. Inhale, take your arms up over the head. Exhale, bend forward, hands on the floor. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump forward for the halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend down. Inhale, stretch your arms over the head. Exhale, release back to Samasthiti. Let's do fourth round. Okay, let's do sun salutation B. Now bend your knees, stretch your arms for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, bend forward, hands on the floor into forward bend or Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway look up. And then exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now step your right leg forward, arms up for the warrior A, Veerbhadrasana here. Exhale, press your palms, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog again. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now left leg forward, arms up. And then exhale, again jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump forward for the halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend down. Inhale for Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Let's do second round of Sun Salutation B. Inhale, bend your knees, stretch your arms for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, bend forward, hands on the floor. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now step your right leg forward, arms up for the warrior A. Exhale, hands on the floor, step back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now step your left leg forward, arms up over the head for the warrior A. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And hold there for 5 Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump forward for the halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend down. Inhale for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now last round of Sun Salutation B. Inhale, bend your knees, stretch your arms for the chair pose. Exhale, bend forward, hands on the floor. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now step your right leg forward, arms up over the head for the warrior A, Virabhadrasana A. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now step your left leg forward, arms up over the head. Now exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. And then exhale, downward facing dog. Stay there for 3 Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now jump forward for the halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend down. Inhale for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now, is your body warmed, Kritanjali ji?
Yes, sir, kind of.
Okay, so now let's do triangle pose once again. From Samasthiti, jump back to, step your right leg back. Step your right leg back. And now turn your right leg, right foot out, left foot in. And now stretch your arms to the side. Now the current has come. Now you may do it. Okay. Now turn your right foot out. Now go far forward towards your right hand. And then place your right hand on your right leg. Now stretch your other arm up over the head. Look at your left palm and hold. 5, 4, keep on stretching. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale again, come back, stretch your arms to the side. Now turn your left foot out, right foot in. Now go far forward towards your left hand and then place your left hand wherever is possible, whether it's on your knee or shin bone or on your ankle. Stretch and then hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale again, come up high, and then exhale, release down into Samasthiti. Okay, so I was talking about 2 approaches of this triangle pose. First is just you did now. So this is your first approach in which we are just extending our sideways. Okay, we are not opening our hip. We are still opening our hip, but this openness is we do have from the beginning. Okay, so second approach, first we're gonna grab our ankle or big toe. Now my hips are inward, my hips are square. After this, I'm gonna stretch my arm and then open my hip out like this. So this is a second approach. This is a little bit tougher than before one. All right. So first you're gonna keep your hips square. In the second thing, you're gonna push your back leg and then open your hip out and then look up high. Okay. Internal rotation. This is your outer rotation. Internal rotation and then outer rotation. Let's try this one. Now stretch right leg back. Yeah. Now turn your right foot out. Now grab your big toe with the right hand. Now from here, open your back leg out. Push your back foot and then open your hip out and keep your both arms straight and hold. 5, 4, 3, keep opening. 2, 1. Inhale all the way, come up high. Very nice. Now turn your left foot out, right foot in. Good job. Now go far forward towards your left hand and then grab your big toe with the left hand. Very nice. Now open your hip out, stretch your right hand over the head and hold. 1. Turn your back foot slide in. Yeah, turn your back foot slide in. Very nice. Now stretch and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale again. Come back to the center. Okay, did you understand these both approaches? How are we going to get into this triangle pose?
Yes, sir.
First step. Okay, so let's try first one now. Okay, so that you will understand the difference between both of them. Take your right leg back. Now directly get to the posture without keeping your hips square. This is more like a Tiryak Tadasana. Okay, in Tadasana we tilt to the right side or left side. This is your Tiryak Tadasana kind of. Okay, make sure back foot is turning in. The back foot is now turned in. Turn your back foot in. Yes. Now stretch your right hand to the right side. Now place your palm. Now left hand up over the head and hold. Okay. So in this, you are just having that stretch on your sideways or slight stretch on your IT band. IT band हमारा यहाँ पे होता है हमारा outer hip में. ठीक है, outer hip हमारा IT band होता है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे stretch आएगा. But second approach में क्या हो रहा था? जब आप grab कर रहे थे तो उसको उसके बाद अपने hip को पूरा rotate कर रहे थे back में. Okay, that is your outer rotation of your back hip or back leg. Now inhale all the way, come up high. Very nice. Now turn your left foot out, right foot in. Yes. Now go forward towards the left hand. And then stretch and hold. 5, 4. Keep on stretching. 3, 2, 1. Now inhale again, come back to the center. Okay, now let's talk about that revolved triangle pose. After this triangle pose, we do have that twisted triangle pose or revolved triangle pose. Okay, इसका नाम होता है हमारा प्रसारित परिवृत्त त्रिकोणासन. Okay, so that is your परिवृत्त त्रिकोणासन in which we are twisting our spine. Now turn your right leg back. Sorry, take your right leg back. Now turn your right foot out, left foot in. Yeah, completely, so that your hips get square. Now stretch your left hand up over the head, left hand up. Now exhale, bend forward first from your hip joint. Bend forward and then place your hand wherever is possible. Now stretch your other arm over the head. Now twist your spine from the navel center. Look up high to your right palm and hold. Okay, make sure both legs are straight. You're pressing your back heel, your front heel together. Open up your chest. Twist your spine from the navel center and hold. 5, 4. Keep on stretching. 3. Stretch. 2, 1. Inhale out. Again, come back to the center. Now on the other side, turn your left foot out, right foot in. Now place your right hand either side of your left leg. Bend forward. Now place your hand and then twist your spine. Look up high. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come up high, arms up, and then exhale, release back to Samasthiti. So this was your revolved triangle pose. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so in this revolved triangle pose, what is the alignment? We are supposed to twist our spine from the navel center. Okay, maximum twisting that will come from the navel center, and your lower back and your sacrum, that will be stable. Okay, make sure your back leg is all the way rotating in. Let's suppose you're doing revolved triangle pose. First, you're gonna push your back foot all the way in. Okay, just keep pushing your back foot in or back leg in. After this, stretch your left hand up. First, bend forward and keep on twisting out. Now, place your hand wherever it's possible. If you're placing it out on the right side of your right leg, then it's It's very nice. If you don't place it here, you cannot find the balance, then place it here on the left side of your right leg. Okay, after this, what we're gonna do, keep your left hand over here so that this will be stable. If you want to go for this twisting from the navel center, now you're gonna stretch your arm up and then hold the position. Okay, make sure this part is not twisting. If this part is twisting, then we do have that, we're gonna have that sacroiliac joint pain. Okay, that usually happens whenever we do twisting, because we do have stability there. In stability, we have only extension and flexion. This is the extension, this is flexion. But if you're twisting there, then definitely will have pain, or maybe our bone will get dislocated. Okay, let's suppose this is your elbow. Now in this elbow, if we twist our elbow like this, twist our elbow from here, then definitely we'll have pain because we do have stability here, right? Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's how we're gonna do this revolved triangle pose. So in this revolved triangle pose, the distance or instance between your both legs, that will be less than your one leg distance apart. Okay, in triangle pose, let's suppose our distance was like this, but in revolved triangle pose, our distance will be decreased.
Okay.
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 And so which one you feel more effective? Like, where do we have that stretch in our triangle pose? Where we do have a stretch on the revolved triangle pose? Did you feel any stretch?
Yes, sir.
Okay, where?
So in triangle, we feel the stretch here and slightly here.
Okay. And in revolved triangle pose?
Twisted one.
Yeah, twisted one.
Here, fine. Fine, and thorax region.
Yeah, your upper body, entire upper body that twisted out, and your back leg. Okay. The more you press your back leg, the more extension you will have on your hamstring, on your back of your knee, on your calf muscle, everywhere around. Okay.
The back leg में तो stretch नहीं आ रहा है.
नहीं आ रहा है, then we are supposed to press our back heel. देखो इस revolved triangle pose में क्या होता है? If we do not have enough flexibility, if you don't bring enough consciousness in our back leg, then we'll have that pain. Sorry, if we don't bring that much like enough consciousness in our back leg, then we will not have that stretch. This means if you're not having that stretch, it means you're not pressing your back heel down. Okay, so we are supposed to press our back heel on the floor or on the mat. Okay, let's do it one more time, then maybe we will have a stretch. Yes. Now bend forward, left hand up. Keep bending, and press your back heel. Just bring that all consciousness on your back leg. Press your back heel. Okay, and then stretch. Are you having stretch now? This Gitanjali.
यहाँ पे आ रहा है pressure.
Only front leg में?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो आपको बैक हील को और पुश करना है, या फिर आप पता क्या करिए, आप ये मैट को फोल्ड करिए, ठीक है, और बैक हील को ऐसे पुश करिए यहाँ की तरफ, ऐसे में, क्योंकि जब आपको हाइट मिलेगी फ्लोर से, दैट इज देन यू कैन पुश योर हील डाउन. ओके, फोल्ड करिए बैक. हाँ, एक बार फोल्ड करिए, तब आपको मे भी फील हो. बैक हील को, हाँ, और दूसरी साइड भी करिए, आप एक ही साइड करिए ना, मे बी इसलिए नहीं हो रहा है.
आगे से.
हाँ, ना आई मीन लेफ्ट साइड. राइट साइड आपने कब से करो ना, आप लेफ्ट साइड से करो.
लेफ्ट साइड से करा हुआ है सर.
नहीं, लेफ्ट लेग आगे रखो, राइट लेग पीछे.
अच्छा.
हाँ, और लेग की डिस्टेंस थोड़ा सा कम करो बस. Now stretch your right arm up and then twist your, just keep your hips square, completely square towards your left leg. Now bend forward. Now place your hand on the floor and then stretch your other arm over the head. Open up your chest, twist, and press your back leg on the floor. Press your back leg. I feel like you are more flexible to the left side as compared to right side.
I think so.
Yes. Now keep pressing your back heel. Chest open करिए. अभी स्ट्रेच आ रहा है आपको बैक लेग में?
हाँ सर, थोड़ा
नहीं,
बहुत।
थोड़ा बहुत आ रहा है. और फ्रंट लेग को स्ट्रेट करिए. आपने फ्रंट लेग बेंड करा अपना. फ्रंट लेग को पुश करिए और अपना बॉडी भी शिफ्ट करिए बैक लेग की तरफ. हाँ, अब करो ट्विस्ट. Keep on twisting from the navel center. हाँ, अब धीरे से वापस आ जाइए. या फिर आप यही पोज आप वॉल के अगेंस्ट भी कर सकते हो. वॉल के अगेंस्ट कैसे करना है एक बार देख लीजिए. आप यहाँ पे पोज में, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा 3 और 4 फीट का डिस्टेंस लेंगे. उसके बाद स्ट्रेच करेंगे राइट आर्म को अप एंड देन ट्विस्ट योर हिप फॉरवर्ड. नाउ अपने राइट हिप को पुश करेंगे अगेंस्ट द वॉल एंड देन बेंड डाउन. बेंड होने के बाद चेस्ट ओपन करेंगे एंड प्रेस योर बैक heel and then hold the position as long as you want or as much as time you want to take. Take this pose. Yes, twist and then hold the position. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale back. Now from there we can do another twisting. Now switch your legs. Step your right leg forward, left leg back. Do not move. Do not move. Just switch your legs only. And now switch your legs. Right leg forward, left leg back. Very nice. Now after this, take your left hand up. Now bend forward. Bend forward. And then take your right hand against the wall and then open up your chest. And press your right hand against the wall. Or you can make a cup of finger with your right arm or upper hand. Okay. Now push your back heel. Open up your chest. 4, 5, 4. Keep on twisting. 3, 2, 1. Now back to the center. So in this alignment or in this pose, we do have adjustment too. Okay. So the moment when you get into this pose, we're gonna push you from the front, and then we will deepen into the posture. Okay. So try it on the other side too, because you did only one side. Try on the other side. Now twist out. Press your left hand against the wall. Open up your chest and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale again back to the center. Now just switch your legs now. Do not move your body, just switch your legs. Step your right leg forward, left leg back. Yes. Now take your left hand up. Now bend forward.
and then twist your spine, look up high and hold, and keep pushing your back hip against the wall so that you can easily find the balance. In this pose, it's very hard to find the balance if you are not flexible. If you're flexible, then it's very nice to find the balance. Now, inhale, all the way come up high. And then exhale, release back. Now, sit up straight. So now, do you want to ask anything about this triangle pose or about triangle pose?
सर बैक लेग में कहाँ पे मतलब वहाँ स्ट्रेच आता है?
बैक देखो, बैक लेग में क्या होता है, देखो जब आप इस पोजीशन में हो, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जब आप ट्विस्ट करोगे, आपको बैक लेग में बैक ऑफ द नी में स्ट्रेच आएगा, आपकी
Back-
लोअर हेमिस्फीयर में, आपके
Okay.
बैक लेग में। यहाँ पे आपको बैक लेग को पुश करना है और आपका बॉडी वेट आगे है, ऐसे है, देन यू विल नॉट हैव स्ट्रेच। अगर आप बॉडी वेट स्ट्रेच करोगे और पुश करोगे बैक लेग को, देन यू विल हैव ट्विस्टिंग और यू विल हैव स्ट्रेच।
ओके ओके। हल्का सा आता है सर लोअर हैमस्ट्रिंग में यहाँ।
हाँ, देखो एक मसल्स की टेंडेंसी क्या होती है, सो whenever we are stretching our muscle, we do have maximum stretch only on the insertion point. Insertion point मतलब end of the point, not the origin. Okay, तो इसीलिए जब भी आप hamstring के stretch करोगे, you will maximum time will have that stretch only on the insertion point or ending point. ठीक है, तो इसलिए जब आप इस पोज में जाते हो तो आपको हमेशा, मतलब जब भी आप hamstring का stretch करते हो तो आपको हमेशा बैक ऑफ द नी में ही प्रेशर आता है और स्ट्रेच आता है। ठीक है, तो इवन अगर आप ट्राइसेप्स बाइसेप्स की बात करोगे, अगर आप कोई ऑब्जेक्ट लोगे, उससे अगर आप मूव भी करोगे, देन यू विल हैव स्ट्रेच ओनली ऑन हियर, नॉट इन द मिडिल ऑफ योर बाइसेप्स, राइट। तो मसल्स की टेंडेंसी है कि आपको स्ट्रेच मैक्सिमम हमेशा इंसर्जन पॉइंट में आता है, वो कोई सी भी मसल हो आपकी, ओरिजिन पॉइंट में नहीं आएगा। ओके ओके, सो दिस वाज ऑल फॉर टुडेज सेशन। Where are others? Do you know about them?
Sir, Magadha ma'am has said already she will be off on the Saturdays, and I don't know rest of others.
Okay. Then let's finish today's session. Sit in any comfortable pose. Now close your eyes. We will chant one Om followed by three Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your hands together in front of your heart center. Bend your head forward. Open your eyes while blinking. And namaste. Okay, Gitanjali ji, enjoy your evening. See you tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Yes,
Bye-bye.
sir, sure. All right.